What's up, guys? Welcome back to Broke Man Finance. Today's video, I'm talking about a penny stock I've been researching for quite a bit now, and I'm really excited to share this with you, and I'm looking to add it to my portfolio for 2021. The company I'm talking about is called DraganFly Incorporated, which is an aircraft manufacturing company that was founded back in 1998 and is currently located in Canada. Their main product is something that really has, let's be honest, taken off the past couple years, no pun intended, which is drones. Now, these aren't the drones that you would buy your kids at Best Buy for Christmas or their birthdays. These are mega commercialized drones that really have a huge market, which we're going to discuss. DraganFly has several different models that really has helped them reach out to multiple industries, which also include the military, any major government sector, public safety, insurance, agriculture, and even environmental and energy. Back in 2013, they were credited as the first drone to be involved in saving a life, where they was able to locate a lost hitchhiker in Canada. This past year or so, DraganFly has really been adding to its list of customers in the United States as well. Back in December, the United States Department of Agriculture announced it was selecting the Commander model from DraganFly and awarded them the contract. So separate from the drone side, the company also has an artificial intelligence technology side of the company, which has attracted a lot of attention and really what they can offer customers with their technology dealing with the COVID-19 response. Back in December, the Alabama State Senate took delivery of DraganFly's Vital Intelligence Smart Vital System, which really is a pretty cool system if you look at it. It monitors vital signs like temperature, heart rate, breathing rate, and blood oxygen content. And then just this past week, it was reported that DraganFly was being used to help sanitize surface areas in government buildings in Georgia. But when we look at the development of technology and drones, DraganFly has really emerged as a leader in the market. As you can see in the picture I put up, in my opinion, I think they've been pretty aggressive since 1999, where they first released their drone, to now where they've been constantly improving their products. They've been able to achieve multiple accolades and awards. They've got several patents out and even an induction to the Smithsonian. When you look at this innovation and product improvement, it is really what has helped grow the company overall and bring in that revenue. So when we look at their overall revenue just the past 2 years, they went from $4.7 million in 2019 to $5.5 million in 2020, which results in an overall of $500,000 of gross profit increase. Just this past year alone, their stock price has seen an impressive increase of over 171% growth. That's pretty good for a penny stock. So for a penny stock right now, under $2 a share, what this company has to offer, and we're really looking at their products, I think it's very reasonable to see the stock price increase to $5 to $10 a share over the next 5 to 10 years. And that's really a conservative, really evaluation or opinion. I think it could do even more than that in a short amount of time. But I'm always conservative on my estimates and really kind of dipping my toes on what I think this company has potential to do and what the stock has potential to do in the coming years. The only major catch right now for investors in DraganFly is they're currently only traded on the OTC or over-the-counter securities. Unfortunately, some platforms like Robinhood, you cannot buy or sell DraganFly just yet on those. However, there is good news. And the good news is that just this week, it was announced that they had started the process of being listed on the NASDAQ. So as an investor into a new company, I look for several things, and especially when it comes to penny stocks, because they're so risky, they're so volatile when we're looking at if you can lose money or make money. The first thing I look at is leadership. When I look at the CEO and the board of directors that DraganFly has, I look at their skills, I look at their experience, their resume, what they bring to the table. Overall, I'm pretty pleased on what I see, and I think the collective ideas and experience and the people they have on this board, they are in a good position to continue to grow their company over the next 5 to 10 years. The second thing I look at is the quality of the product. When I look at DraganFly and really what they've accomplished since that first drone that was released in 1999, all the things they've done as far as innovation, technology, expanding their services, expanding their products, it speaks testaments, and you see that with these major contracts like the United States Department of Agriculture, where they're awarding them these contracts and they feel comfortable for a quality product. This isn't a startup company. They have a long history, over 20 years of being established in this market. And the third thing is the demand for the product. I mean, you can have the best leadership team in the world, you can have the best board of directors, CEO, you can have the best quality product ever known to man. But if you don't have a consumer base or customers willing to purchase that product and have a demand for it in the next 5 to 10 years, the company simply isn't going to be successful. And as investors, you're going to lose money. So when I look at DraganFly and what they have to offer to consumers and the overall demand, I clearly see the demand being there. I only see the demand growing over the next 5 to 10 years because of the services and just the drone industry in general, what they can provide to consumers. For example, look at the insurance industry. Just this past year, I had hail damage to my roof. So the insurance company sends out their adjuster. He had to physically climb on the roof and take pictures with his camera in order to do the process of them replacing my roof. If that insurance adjuster would have had a drone with 4K technology now with the cameras, he could have simply flown the drone around the roof, took pictures, and added that to my file. So just as the insurance company looking ahead, this tool or this technology could potentially save them tons of money, if not millions of dollars each year when we're looking at injuries, we're looking at workman's comp costs, or we're looking at loss of productivity because people are on light duty. That's just one industry alone, not counting public safety, the military, the agriculture, energy, and the environment. All these things add up where it creates a huge consumer demand for these products. So guys, my overall position is buy and hold, as I do many of my stocks. I think, personal opinion, I think the demand's there. I think this company has a great future for them. As always, please don't take my word for it. I'm just a weirdo on YouTube giving out my opinion or analysis on companies. Please do your own research, especially when it comes to penny stocks, because these are one of the most volatile stocks they currently exist on the stock market. There is high reward, but there's also high risk. Overall, guys, that's it for me. Please put those comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the company. And if you haven't already done so, please consider hitting that like and or subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video.